Channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought regarding PhD admission in IIT Gandhinagar. They have given notification for PhD admission 2022-23 for highly motivated students for admission to its PhD program for academic year 22-23. The departments in which you can apply, those are biological engineering, chemical engineering, civil, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, material engineering, mechanical engineering, chemistry, mathematics, physics, cognitive science, earth sciences, humanity and social sciences, philosophy, political science, social epidemiology, sociology, literature, archaeology, development economics. The deadline for application form is 31st of March. Highlight, you can get financial support of 2 lakh for full-time student for presenting the research work at international conferences. A support of up to US $12,500 may be considered for full-time PhD student for doing research work at the best universities or labs abroad for period of 4 to 6 months. This is the important dates. 31st up to 31st March you can apply for form. On 8th of April they will announce the shortlisted candidate list. Then from 11th to 17th April they will conduct interview, and on 4th of May they will announce the result for selected candidates for PhD admission. Regarding eligibility criteria, you must have 55% marks or 5.5 CPI marks in MA, MSc, BTech, MTech, BS from IISc or ISER, BS or MS from ISER or equivalent degree in appropriate branches. Above mentioned eligibility criteria is minimum and at institute level. For discipline wise minimum eligibility criteria, please click here. This is minimum eligibility criteria for admission to PhD program, discipline wise. For biological engineering, you must have 60% marks or 55% for SC/ST or 6 CGPA or 5.5 for SC/ST or PD candidate CPI or CGPA on the scale of 10. And having MSc from bioscience, biochemistry, chemistry, zoology, botany or BTech, MTech from biochemical, biotechnology, bioinformatics, biophysics, biomaterial, biomedical engineering. For chemical, same 60% marks for open OBC or EWS candidate and 55% for SC/ST or physically disabled. Or in terms of CGPA, it must be 6 for open category, OBC and EWS, and relaxed by 5.5 for SC/ST or PD candidate. For chemical, you must have BE, BTech or ME, MTech or equivalent degree in chemical engineering or related branches in engineering. For chemistry, at least 60%, percentage criteria same. Apart from that, you must have MSc in inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, organic, general chemistry, physical chemistry, biochemistry, bioinformatics, computational biology or applied chemistry or equivalent degree and related program. And here you must have qualified NET or GATE examination not before 2020. For civil, percentage criteria same. Cognitive science, same percentage criteria. For computer science and engineering, you must have BE, BTech or equivalent degree in computer science, C or EE or related areas with 65% marks. Here it is changed. It is 65% marks or 60% for SC/ST or PD or 6.5 in terms of CGPA and 6 for SC/ST or PD candidate in the scale of 10. Or if you have MSc in mathematics, physics, bioinformatics or related areas with first class or 65% marks or 60% for SC/ST PD candidate or 6 or 6.5 or 6 for SC/ST or PD candidate CGPA on the scale of 10. Means if you have MSc in maths, physics or bioinformatics, you can apply. Then it is changed for humanitarian and social sciences 55%, for other category, and 50% for SC/ST, or 5.5 CGPA for other than SC/ST or PD category, and 5 point for SC/ST or PD category. You must have your BE Tech or MSc or equivalent or MA related to humanitarian and social sciences. For earth sciences, you must have MSc with geology, geophysics, remote sensing, geography, natural sciences or related subject with 60% marks or 6 CGPA, and relaxed by 5% or 0.5 for SC/ST candidate. And along with that, you must have qualified CSIR NET or Inspire Fellowship or GET qualified or MTech or MPhil in geology. Means if you have MSc, then you must have the CSIR NET, Inspire Fellowship or GET score. But if you have ME, MTech or MPhil, then there is no requirement of GATE or NET. For electrical, it is 65% for open OBC and AWS category, and relaxed by 5% or 0.5 for SC/ST or PD candidate. You must have BE Tech or equivalent degree in broad area of electrical and or electronics engineering, or BE Tech or ME Tech or equivalent degree in other branch of engineering may be considered in area consistent with research area of discipline, or MSc in discipline consistent with research area. For mechanical, 60% for open OBC and AWS, and relaxed by 5% for SC/ST or PD candidate. Here, if you have BE Tech or ME Tech or MS or equivalent degree in mechanical engineering, or apart from that, if you have BE Tech or ME Tech in chemical, electrical, electronics, production, industrial, artisan, aerospace or aeronautical engineering, civil, structural, like that, you can also apply. Or MSc means if you have BE Tech and ME Tech in this discipline, then you can apply. Or if you have MSc with NET GATE, then also you can apply. Or BE Tech or ME Tech or MSc degree in other branches of engineering or technology with an outstanding academic record may also considered for research areas consistent with your academic background and or a special interest in that discipline. For material science, you must have BE Tech, ME Tech with 60% marks or CGPA, relaxed by 5% for SC/ST. You must have your Masters of BTech in material science, material engineering, metallurgical engineering, mechanical, manufacturing, polymer, ceramic, biological engineering, chemical engineering, electrical, electronics, physics, chemistry, biotech, nanotechnology or food sciences. Or mathematics, same percentage criteria, physics also same percentage criteria. But if you have MSc, you must have qualified NET, JEST or GATE with physics along with your master's degree. Regarding financial support or fellowship, you will get 31,000 for starting 2 years and 35,000 for last 2 years. Here they have mentioned that student joining the PhD program as regular may be considered for institute fellowship subjected to availability of fund based on following norms. Candidate with qualification in any of the points A to F mentioned below are eligible for monthly fellowship. You must have your postgraduate degree in basic science with NET GATE qualification or graduate degree in professional courses. BE Tech with NET GATE qualification or postgraduate degree in professional courses. ME Tech means if you have ME Tech, there is no requirement of GATE or NET, but if you have MSc or BE Tech, then there is requirement of NET or GATE. Or you have BTech degree from CFTI with CGPA 8 or above, or MSc or MA from IITs with CPI at least 8 on a scale of 10, or BS from IISc with CPI at least 6.4 on a scale of 8, BSMS from ICER with CPI at least 8 on a scale of 10, or BS from ICER with CPI at least 8 on a scale of 10. After successful completion of 2 years in regular PhD program, candidate may be eligible for monthly fellowship of 35,000. It will be revised time to time, so no worry and don't worry. Then you can see this focus areas. Here they have mentioned. You can see for biological engineering you can take a screenshot. These all are the research areas in which you can pursue your PhD. For chemical, these all are the research areas. You take the screenshot. It's not possible to read everything. For this chemistry, these all are the research areas. For civil, these all are the research areas. You take a screenshot. Then cognitive science, this one. For computer science, this one. For earth science, these all are river science, earth surface process, carbonate rocks, like that. For electrical, these all are the research areas. For humanity and social sciences, these are the areas. Take a screenshot and choose which you want to apply. Mechanical, this one. For material engineering, these all are the research areas. For mathematics, this one, and these are for physics. So you can take a screenshot and see whether your interested areas is there or not, or you can select some different also. Regarding application procedure, first you have to register on the IIT Gandhinagar admission portal. After then you will get user ID password. Then by logging through that login ID and password, you can further proceed for application form. So that's all about today's update. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.